Okay, guys, let's go over to next topic, which is progressions. And here we have a simple question. It says that log 2 base 10 and log 2 power k minus 1 base 10 and log 2 power k plus 3 base 10. अगर ये तीन टर्म्स अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में है तो कितने k के वैल्यूज एग्जिस्ट हो सकते हैं, हमें ये फाइंड करना है. तो अगर ये तीन कंसेक्यूटिव एपी टर्म्स है तो अर्थमेटिक मीन अप्लाई करने पे 2 log 2 पावर k माइनस 1 बेस 10 इज इक्वल्स टू log 2 बेस 10 प्लस log 2 पावर k प्लस 3 बेस 10. नो मैंने सिर्फ मीन अप्लाई किया है. नो हमें पता है a log b इज़ log b पावर a, तो ये हो जाएगा log 2 पावर k माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर बेस 10 is equals to, और log a plus log b is log ab, so this is log 2 into 2 power k plus 3 base 10. Now removing log on both sides हमें वो मिल जाएगा 2 power k minus 1 whole square is equals to 2 into 2 power k plus 3. Simplifying 2 power 2k minus 2 into 2 power k into 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 into 2 power k plus 6. So this would be 2 power 2k minus 2 into 2 power k plus 1 is equals to 2 into 2 power k plus 6. Now RHS के सारे टर्म्स हम LHS को ला लेंगे. तब हमें मिलेगा 2 पावर 2k माइनस 4 इंटू 2 पावर k प्लस 1 एंड माइनस 5 माइनस 6 इज माइनस 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. अभी ये ऑब्जर्व करने पे हमें एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दिख रहा है, तो 2 पावर k इज इक्वल्स टू t लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा t स्क्वेयर माइनस 4t माइनस 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. तो ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने पे हमें t के वैल्यूज आएंगे एंड t इज़ नथिंग बट 2 पावर k, वहाँ से k के वैल्यूज आ जाएंगे. सो सॉल्विंग दिस माइनस 5t स्क्वेयर विच कैन बी एक्वायर्ड बाई t इंटू 5t, वी नीड माइनस 4t, सो माइनस 5t. सो दिस वुड बी t स्क्वेयर प्लस t माइनस 5t माइनस 5 इक्वल टू 0. तो t कॉमन लेंगे, ये हो जाएगा t प्लस 1 and minus 5 which would give us t plus 1 equal to 0. This is t plus 1 into t minus 5 is 0. So values of t are minus 1 and 5. T is equals to minus 1 and 5. T is nothing but 2 power k, so we get 2 power k is equals to minus 1, 2 power k is equals to 5. But we know 2 power k, if it is minus 1, then this would become log minus 2, but logarithm of negative terms can't exist, so this value can't be considered, and we have 2 per k is equals to 5. So we have, from this we can say apply log, which would give k log 2 is equals to log 5. K is nothing but log of 5 by 2. So there is only one value of k for which these three terms can be in arithmetic progression. So guys, we have another simple question from progressions, and this question it is given that a tree each year grows 5 centimeter less than its previous year. So for example, in the first year if it grew x meters, then in the next year it would be growing x minus 5 into 10 power minus 2, seeing the units. So it would grow 5 centimeters less every year. So in the first year, if it grew half meter, then what would be the total height of the tree when it ceases to grow? So in the first year it grew half meter, and converting it to centimeters, we have 100 centimeters by 2, which is 50 centimeters. So in the first year it grew 50 centimeters, then in the second year it would grow 5 centimeters less, which is 45, and in the third year 40, fourth year 35, in the same way 30 in fifth year, 25 in sixth, 20 in seventh year, 15 centimeters in 8th year, 10 centimeters in 9th year, 5 centimeters in 10th year, and it would cease to grow in the 11th year. So we need to find the total height, which is in the first year 50 centimeters, second year 45, third year 40, and all. So all we need to do is sum of series, which is T1 plus T2 plus so on to T10, because T11 is already 0. So we have 50 plus 45 plus 40 plus so on to 5. If you take 5 common from this series, we get in the reverse order 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on to 5 tens are 50. And this is the sum of first 10 natural numbers. We can write it as n into n plus 1 by 2, and here n is equal to 10, 10 into 11 by 2, 2 5s are 10, we have 25 into 11, which is, let me calculate here, 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 5 7 2, 275 centimeters. So the answer is 275 centimeters, which is nothing but 2.75 meters. So the final length of the tree would be 2.75 meters.